Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have Word Mobile open with your document. Now start by entering edit mode so controls appear. Once in edit, tap the View or Layout tab to reveal page and text sizing options. Make sure the document isn't protected or in read only, otherwise size controls remain locked. If the ribbon is minimized, tap the caret to expand it. These steps let you access page size, font size, and paragraph spacing, the three places you will change dimensions next. You'll change the main elements that affect perceived size: font, margins, and page dimensions. First, select text and use the Home tab font size control or the floating mini toolbar to increase or decrease type. This instantly alters layout. Next, open Layout, tap Margins, and choose presets or custom margins to squeeze or expand content area. Finally, under Layout Size, pick a standard paper size or enter custom width and height. These three edits control how content fits and prints. Finalize by previewing the document in print or reading view so you can confirm scale and pagination. Once satisfied, save or save a copy to preserve layout. If text still overflows, reduce font slightly, tighten line spacing, or shrink margins a bit more. If controls are missing or changes don't stick, make sure Word Mobile is updated and the file isn't synced as read-only. You can also export to PDF to capture current sizing. That single troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.